ever thought about diving into the world of digital and affiliate marketing? Here are 10 quick-fire tips to get you on the road to success. 1. Find your niche. Choose something you're passionate about and know inside out. 2. Know your audience. Understand their needs and wants so you can provide the best solutions. 3. Build a strong online presence. Your website, social media channels, and blogs should be consistent and professional. 4. Create valuable content. Content is king. Make it engaging, informative, and SEO friendly. 5. Master SEO. Understand how it works to drive more traffic to your site. 6. Leverage social media. Use it to reach a wider audience and engage with potential customers. 7. Build relationships. Network with other marketers, influencers, and potential partners. 8. Analyze your results. Use tools to understand what's working and what's not. 9. Keep learning. Digital marketing is always evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends and strategies. And 10. Be patient. Success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, keep improving, and the results will come. That's it, folks. Want more tips and resources? Check out www.ronchoan.com. Keep striving, keep thriving, and remember, the world of digital marketing is at your fingertips.